Okay, so Harold is building his garage, and he's building everything from scratch, so he's also building his roof trusses. Now, Harold knows that his angle of inclination, or his angle of elevation he wants on his roof trusses, is going to be 25 degrees. And he also is planning on having the peak of his roof stand 3 meters above the horizontal, which is the bottom of the truss. So what he needs to calculate now is how long he's going to have to cut a board for his rafter. And his rafter runs from angle A to angle B. So we're going to use the sine ratio. So sine equals opposite over hypotenuse, and we have sine of angle A, which is 25 degrees, is going to equal the opposite, which is 3 meters, over the hypotenuse, which is our rafter, which is what we want to calculate. So we're just going to use R for rafter. Now what we want to do is set up a proportion and cross multiply. So sine 25 over 1 is the same thing as sine of 25 degrees. So we've set up a proportion, now we just simply cross multiply. So we have sine 25 degrees R equals 1 times 3 is 3. Now we want to isolate R. So we're going to divide this by sine 25 degrees. Whatever we do to one side, you have to also do to the other. That's going to leave us with our rafter equals, when you punch this in on the calculator, you're going to get 7.09, but we're just going to round it off to 7. And we're dealing with meters as a unit. So our answer is 7 meters. So when Harold builds his roof truss, his rafters have to be 7 meters in length.